Smart Culture, Mathematics.
Let's look at a ratio example. An energy drink consists of energy concentrate and water in the ratio 2:3. There are 500 milliliters of energy concentrate in this specific drink. Number 1, how much water is in the energy drink? And number 2, what is the total amount of the energy drink altogether? So at first we know that 500 milliliters is our energy concentrate amount. So if we want to find out what is 1 part, because that is equal to 2 parts, we can say 1 part is equal to 500 divided by 2, and that will give us 250 milliliters, which is 1 part. So if we want to determine how much water is in the energy drink, we are going to say water is equal to 3 parts. So the amount of water will be 3 times 250 milliliters, which is 1 part, and that is equal to 750 milliliters of water in our energy drink. Number 2, what is the total amount of the energy drink altogether? So that is the water and the energy concentrate together. So we can say the total amount is 500 milliliter, which is our energy concentrate, plus 750 millimeters for our water, and that is equal to 1,250 milliliters. But then we can also write it as 1.25 liters of our energy drink.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.